Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 80 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below in the description, and you too can have this on your bench and be building along with me. This week's magazine even is a riddling controversy. Great Batman Comics is The Dark Knight there. Batman 06 Infinite Crisis. Batman Year by Year there. We got our car parts today, loads of dashboard trim and all of that lot, plus all the labels and everything, compasses and stuff like that. So we'll need our dashboard for it. So we've been building up the last couple of issues. Going to be putting all the trim panels in, and then this is what we're going to end up with all the labels and all of that, folks. Okay, so let's grab our bits and bobs and start a bit of assembly. So there's the dashboard. We got a trim piece here that is going to be going in like that, and then that's held in place with AP screws, folks. Okay, now don't over tighten these because you will break the lugs off the back, so try not to do that. So let's just hold the middle in place, and I'm gonna start each screw with a couple of turns, and then once I've got it all lined up, I'm then gonna tighten them down just so that we don't get any bows or anything like that. So that's that one. And then grab a bit of oil on the end of that one. Pop that in there. Just like that. Now we can tighten it. Work my way along. And then do the same on the final one. And that's that trim panel in place. Let's just run a Q-tip along there. Let's get rid of any prints. Like I say, once this is all finished built, it'll be getting a goodly polish everywhere anyway, but I try to get as many prints off as I'm going as I can. Next up, we're going to be putting the compass together. We want to insert that into the compass lens. Let's grab that. Here's your compass lens, folks. Got a couple of little cutouts there. And we can just drop that straight in that way around, I do believe. Like that. And then we're going to be popping that down inside here. So let's turn that upside down and drop that in like that. We then want this cover to go in. It don't look like it really matters where these little indents go, but I shall go by the instructions just to cover myself. Captain Twitchy draws. Strikes again. Put it back on the bench, Cole. That way if you do twitch again, you're not going to knock it flying, are you, mate? There you go. Bing. Couple of AP screws. Let's get this in nice and prompt because we don't want to drop that anywhere, do we? Let's screw that in like that. And then grab the next one. Pop that in there. There you go. Now I can pick it back up and just home them fully. Like that. And that's the compass. Looking rather splendid, isn't it? Yeah. Do a bit of that. So that's that. We then got to fit the interior lights now. So we got this little light meter, and we're going to be pressing the bulbs in there. They're very, very, very tiny. And if anyone's going to drop these, it is going to be me, isn't it? So let's see how these go in first. Cool. We'll see. We'll see how we get on. So let's grab my nipper and give one of these a go. It looks like they're tapered. We're going up that way. They are very, very tiny. So I think to be on the safe side, we would have a bit of glue holding them in, I reckon. That extra thing go down in there. That's that one done. We're then going down that way. Well, straight in, I'm having that. All day long. One more. We can do this, Cole. Come on. Has that gone in? Has as well. Quick, glue it. Right, so we got those in. They were absolute nightmare for me. You might be fine doing yours, folks, but I struggled with them. So that's that in place. That should now leave us with all the labels to go on. So what's the first one I need? Bat beam firing button is the first one. So let's grab that. I love how everything was labelled up on these cars back in the day with Batman. Let's try and pick this up in a way where we can get that sticker on. But by right, the letter N is above the button. Go. That's what we want. Run our Q-tip on there. There you go, back beam firing button. Next up is the start button. Oh, they're in sequence, so that's handy to know. Sequence left to right. Look at that. And it's pretty much between the T and the B there of start and button. I'll do it wonky, cool. Right. There you go, that'll do. Make sure. Like I say, there's a little bit of jiggle time on these stickers. So that's them two done. Police band cutting is the next one, which is there. So let's have you. Pink. And I would say between the N and the D is the exact centre. That'll do it. Let's try that bronze on the list. I think it was. Don't now though. we can't have that bronze, can we? Right. We then want remote control activator. There you go. And also we've got Bat Spark and Bat Super Rocket. Oh yeah, all of that, isn't it? That's going on that panel below there. Right, and we'll have you then. Pop. Okay. So let's try and get you in such a way we can get you all level on there. Like that, I do believe. According to that, that's roughly where you're going. How far down are you? Yeah, let's go up a bit. Just be on the safe. Let's spark super rocket. Come on, go. Right. Pop. That's better. You was proper bronze and list, weren't you, mate? There you go. That's that one. And then that by powers of deduction leaves me with the remote control activator, which is that one. And the letter O is at the beginning of there. So let's have you there then. Remote. Going on there like that. It is. Right. There you go. Do a bit of that. So that's what we've got. We've got all of that lot looking rather splendid now, isn't we, okay? Oh, isn't it, eh? So that's what we got at the end of this issue. Don't forget, folks, if you want to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Bink. And you too can have one of these on your bench. In the meantime, to help me out, you can just click a little faster in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. I'll be immensely grateful. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.